Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into Bitrix24 Synergy's new feature, which is booking. And by the end of this video, you will have all the insights you need to properly use and configure the booking feature which is presented. So let's begin. Bitrix24 Resource Booking. Make the most of your resources with the Bitrix24 Booking, a tool that allows you and your clients to book appointments, keeping your calendar full and clients notified. So let's begin. In Bitrix24 booking feature, you can add different type of resources. As you can see, there are predefined industries mentioned like medical, equipment rental, expert service, car rentals, rentals. Also, you can add the customized industry. Like for example, if your industry is not mentioned in the list, so you can add the customized industry as well. So we'll begin with the medical practitioners. Okay. So as adding a new resource, I have given the name for the new resource and type. Here, for viewing this booking section, you have got two different view mode. One is grid column header and the other one is an auxiliary resource view. You can mention your work days and the working time as shown in this resource booking, Monday to Saturday, and the time is 9:30 to 6. So booking duration, you can also set the booking duration like how long do you need the client to visit your facility for the operations. So we'll create a resource. So as you can see, a resource has been added here successfully. You can now click on the booking section and take the booking of your client. As we have mentioned 1 hour, so you will get the slot for 1 hour itself. So you can have anywhere and you will get the slot for 1 hour. Also, you can have different resources as well, and they will work parallelly in this resource booking. So I'll showcase you how to book a resource. So while selecting a time, it will showcase like this. So you can add the customer name over here and you can add all the details related to him. So a resource has been added. As we have selected the grid view, so you are able to see this view as presented in on the screen. So Bitrix24 resource booking shows you the resources availability schedule, multiple resource booking like people or equipments, real time edit by two or more users, multiple booking for one client, and the main thing is this is ideal for businesses that rely on the appointments. It maximizes resource utilization. Bitrix24 booking helps you fill every slot effectively, ensuring your resources are used to the fullest potential. By giving clients a simple and accessible way to schedule, you will keep your calendars busy while minimizing downtime. You will get automated reminders and notification, reduce no shows and enhance customer satisfaction with automated booking reminders. Client receive timely notification to confirm or modify their appointment, saving you time and keeping your schedule optimized. As you can see, these are automated bookings. So from here you can manage the bookings, auto confirm booking, or send the reminder to the client regarding their booking and late reminders as well. It can be sent from SMS or WhatsApp, and they are adding different types of communication channels for enhancing this more often, customer feedback and all these things. And most importantly, it is integrated with the Bitrix24 CRM. Every booking can be transformed into a lead or deal to capture client data and ensure no potential business opportunity is overlooked. Plus, with your client information stored securely in one place, you can easily leverage it for future marketing campaigns. You can select from here the deal. If you want to add, you can add it from here itself, and it gets aligned with your Bitrix24 CRM. So this is all about the Bitrix24 new booking feature. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.